Hey guys, how's it going? How to recover TikTok streak. So first of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the profile at the bottom right corner, okay? And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click on the settings and privacy, or click the three bars at the top right. Go ahead to the settings and privacy, and then you're gonna just scroll a little bit down, and then you're gonna click report a problem, okay? And then choose the appropriate issue and then explain your situation, right? In that case, your account streak or whatever it might be, you're gonna try to find it right here, and then just go ahead right here if you want to know how to report, or just go ahead straight to chat with us, and then you're gonna be able to reach out to them. Now, secondly, you need to stay active. Make sure that you're consistently interacting with the person you had the streak with. Send messages, comments, or likes daily. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to prevent any missed interactions. Make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok by going back to your screen, and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, as updates can fix bugs that might have caused the streak to end. Okay, and sometimes streaks can be restored automatically after you've reported that issue to TikTok help and support, and these steps should help you recover your TikTok streak easily. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.